Mastering Self-introductions in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a fundamental topic in any language: self-introductions. This is your first step in making a strong, confident impression. Ready? Let's jump right in. A self-introduction is a way to introduce yourself to someone for the first time. Think of it as your verbal business card. Depending on the situation, you'll want to share relevant information about yourself without overwhelming the listener. In formal settings, such as business meetings or interviews, you'll want to be brief and to the point. 1. Start with a greeting. Good morning, afternoon, evening. 2. State your full name. My name is. Your full name. 3. Mention your position or role. I'm the. Your position at your company, organization. 4. Optionally, provide a brief context. I specialize in a specific area or task. Example: Good morning. My name is Jane Smith. I'm the Director of Marketing at Tech Corp. I specialize in digital strategies. In more casual settings, like parties or informal gatherings, you can be more relaxed. 1. Use a casual greeting. Hi, or hello. 2. Introduce yourself with your first name. I'm. Your first name. 3. Optionally, share something personal. I'm a huge fan of a hobby or interest. Example: Hi, I'm Mike. I love hiking and exploring new trails. 1. Smile. It sets a positive tone for the conversation. 2. Maintain eye contact. This shows confidence and respect. 3. Adapt to your environment. Be aware of cultural and social norms. A handshake might be common in one culture but not in another. 4. Practice. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And that wraps up our discussion on self-introductions in English. Remember, the key is to be genuine and confident. We hope this video has given you the tools to introduce yourself effectively in any setting. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.